cheeks are pink, my nose is running, and I have boogers. It is what it is. What's sitting? George is asleep. Trying to go back to sleep. Tyson's in there with him. But oh my god. Oh, you can't even see out this window because there's ice all over that window. But look. What is that? Hello. I'm going to venture out in the snow. This is my snow day fit. I have my Polaroid. So I'm gonna take some. Here's the drip. Docs, of course. Sweats. I also have a Nirvana sweatshirt under here and then another shirt. And I have my big coat on, so I'm about to go outside. Everyone else in my house is asleep, but I wanted to, hold on, I'm gonna be taking pictures anyway, might as well try and look cute. But everyone else in my house is asleep still. But I'm an early bird. Also, it hasn't snowed here since I was like in 6th grade, so I want to take advantage of it, and I want to go get some cute Polaroids on the snowy streets and on my snowy feet. Ooh, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do. See you guys outside. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my god, look. Whoa. Okay, let's not slip and die. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna take some Polaroids. Oh my god. I am now going to the park. Okay, if you live somewhere where this is normal, I'm happy for you. And you know what? I'm thinking about moving somewhere that this is normal, because this is really magical. Is my camera okay? Yeah. I really did set you guys in snow, so I hope my camera doesn't get effed up, but I'm sure it won't. Okay, but what I want to do is I want to go to the park, because I just want to see, you know, what it looks like. The ground, the road I mean, is frozen, as you can see. I might actually get gloves first and a hat because I'm warm, but my hands are kind of frozen, as they should. So I'm back at my house, so I'm gonna stop, get some more outerwear, and then I'm gonna go to the park. Okay, adventure number 2. Try to get my boyfriend to come. He wasn't having it, but I'm having fun by myself, so that's all that matters. I took some cute Polaroids. Hopefully later he'll build up some courage to go, so that he can take some photos of me. Oh my god, this is so magical. And there's still some snow falling. Wow, this is crazy. No, you guys, it's like actually snowing. This just makes me excited to travel. Truthfully, if my grandma was awake, she would most definitely tell me to get my ass back inside. But this is just too magical to pass up, you know? I'm gonna get some like footage of everything that I see so you guys can see too. Okay, bye. Was I not recording that whole time? Hold on, now I gotta go back and do it again. I'm like the only person out here. The playground. Should I go swing? Okay, I'm gonna go swing. This is so much fun. There's like snow. That's snow. What the hell? I'm a Texan, so we don't get this that often. So I'm gonna go run in it and look crazy because I'm by myself. I don't really care though. Okay, let's go play on the swing. Definitely editing this footage and putting it out straight away. My other video is getting pushed back. Oh my god. Wait, okay, now I have to grab some. Ah! I fell out of the seat. Wow. I'm gonna go home now. Always wanted to live somewhere that's cold and that snows. Always. Ever since I was a little girl, I immediately wanted to move to New York. This is really giving me that full fantasy that I need. I feel like I'm in New York. That was amazing. If you live somewhere that snows, does it ever get less magical? Because it is just so beautiful. I just can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. I'm hot right now though. That was warm. It's definitely warm. And I definitely almost fell a couple times. Everybody in my house is still asleep. It's 1:18. I mean 1. It's 11:18, right? 11:18 or 11:31. I don't know. That just goes to show how blind I am. Granted, the clock is kind of far away. Whatever. I can't wait to edit this footage. I think it's supposed to snow more through tonight and tomorrow. While I was walking, literal snowflakes were falling from the sky. I have never seen that. This makes me like love our planet even more. I'm just happy I went out there and ran around and played in it. There was kids playing out there. There were grown men playing in it. There were people on ATVs or four-wheelers, whatever they are. The basketball court was like iced over, and that's where I almost slipped. Man. He wanted to say hi. Hi. Did you see the snow? Yeah, so oh yeah, my phone like randomly turned off. I don't know if like my iPhone has overheated before, but I've never had it freeze. Does it do that? Because it was really cold to the touch, but yeah, I don't know. Hello. I look different. It's day 2 of the snowy days. Our power is out, so it's really cold in my room, especially because it's all windows in here. But Tyson's in this blanket. We had slept with this comforter along with this blanket. What'd you end up making?
Just the eggs and some beans. Is it good?
It's spicy. I'm eating salad. Southwest salad. Still snow. And that's it. Well, it's day 3. Yesterday our power went out. Today it's still out. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to upload today. Unless I like edit a little video on my phone and then upload it. I don't know if I'm gonna have a signal for that. Yeah. Can you see that? I'm in the house. Yeah, it's really cold. What's up, guys? First of all, can we just admire that humming? Can you hear that? Yeah. That is a generator. Giant generator, first of all. That we have, you know, some necessities plugged up to it. Right now I'm charging my phone. It is 8:53. I also have this light plugged up without the generator. I have a battery powered light, but it's not like nearly as bright as this one that I have plugged up. I'm using my ring light, and I'm drinking Kool-Aid and Malibu. It's the vibes right now. But yeah, so it's pretty late, so my cousins are staying over, so they're sleeping already. I'm just chilling in my room right now, honestly. I have the heater in front of me and just chilling. I was watching a YouTube video, but I thought I would update you guys. I do need to charge my camera batteries, so I'll probably do that after my phone's at 100, because I would like to keep vlogging this experience, so I at least have some footage to upload whenever the power gets back on. Yeah, but that's all I have to say. I will update you guys if anything interesting happens. The only thing interesting that happened is we got a generator thanks to mi suegra. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep drinking my mixed drink, cuddling with her, sitting in front of the heater, and enjoying the hum of this generator. Nothing quite like it. So I spoke too soon? What time is it? It's 9:22. Moments later, our power came back on. That's so weird, but yeah. Power's on. Who knows for how long? But yeah, that's the update. Let's see. Oh my gosh, please God, please let it stay on. I'll update you first. You will be first to know.